everyone, my name is Teresa Larkin and I'm a Senior Solutions Marketing Manager at MiCloud. I'm going to spend the next 30 minutes to give you a quick overview of one of our leading UCaaS solutions called MiCloud Connect, explain to you why businesses choose it, give you some use cases and examples, as well as a quick little product overview as well so you can fully understand the solution and why it might be a good fit for your customers. So to begin, I'll kind of set the stage with giving you some background on who MiCloud is as a company for those of you who are maybe new to selling MiCloud solutions. MiCloud is an industry veteran. We started off in the telecom hardware space back in 45 years ago and have made the transition, as so is the industry, into the cloud space. And we are a leader in cloud communications, and one of the things that really makes us different is that not only do we have UCaaS solutions, but we also offer private and public, which is why you'll see we're number 1 in total cloud seats and number 2 in UCaaS seats. So we are growing in the cloud space, becoming a really dependable provider go-to, and you'll see that recognized by Gartner and Frost & Sullivan in the Magic Quadrants. We also have been working with an outside provider called Tully, who did a report with us against our competitors to show the value. So I encourage you to check out that report as well in case you're trying to figure out what sets us apart and kind of from our competitors and how we fit in the market. Here's some companies that we support. Across all industries, you'll see healthcare, hospitality, sports, you name it. We have different solutions that fit different business needs and actually advanced applications and custom solutions for those specific verticals. So I encourage you to check that out. And again, all across the board in terms of who we support. And we're able to support that wide variety of verticals because we have 2 flagship UCaaS solutions, and we truly believe that one size doesn't fit all when it comes to business communications and collaboration, and that businesses have different needs. So therefore, we have 2 complementary UCaaS solutions. We have MiCloud Connect and MiCloud Flex, and both of them are leading. It all really comes down to what the customer needs and kind of their global footprint as well as their preferences. So MiCloud Connect is really designed for those businesses who want more of a hands-off approach to their communications. It's simple to use, not only for the end user, but also for the admin. It's all in one, comes with native integrations, end-to-end solution in terms of hardware, contact center built in-house, team collaboration, all bundled together. We have advanced apps, like I said, for specific verticals and add-ons, as well as different native integrations, a large portfolio of that as well. So like I said before, it really is designed to make everybody's life easier. We are, so used to doing a lot with a little, and every business is moving a mile a minute, it seems these days. So really trying to simplify and streamline those workflows for those workers so you can get a lot more done with less. It's designed for businesses of all sizes. Distributed is another use case we like to hone in on, just being able to get the different locations up and running fast, and it's a multi-tenant solution. On the flip side, we have MiCloud Flex, which is designed for businesses who have custom workflows, proprietary software, a big contact center focus. And why it's designed for that is because it delivers a lot more robust feature set, a lot more robust capabilities in terms of customizations between APIs and open media, and the ability to really integrate with proprietary software, maybe IoT. So it kind of gives you that more flexibility to get creative in how you want your ideal workflows to be. It also offers native integrations and add-on features. Both come with team collaboration and contact center solution. And like I said, end-to-end is kind of what we're known for, starting off as a hardware company and now being in the cloud space. So again, hardware, contact center, team collaboration, as well as UCaaS, all bundled into one solution for both. MiCloud Flex also has a large global footprint. So if you have clients and prospects who are looking for a large presence internationally, as well as the US, maybe MiCloud Flex is a better suit for them. And it's a multi-instance solution, which means it's maybe better suited for some businesses who are really concerned about data storage, compliance, want more control over their releases and maintenance windows. Maybe they're a 24/7 business that can never have any maintenance windows. So something to uncover as you're speaking with your prospects. And we truly believe, like I said, that there is a need for 2 complementary solutions, and we really give you the freedom to be a consultative sale and really understand their business needs before you guide them one or another. And as even though both of them have native contact center solutions, we also offer an over-the-top contact center solution called MiCloud Engage. And this is designed for businesses who need greater scalability. Maybe they're a seasonal business. It also has some features that maybe the native contact center solution doesn't offer. So if there's maybe a feature gap or a scalability need, MiCloud Engage might be a better solution than the native provided contact center, whether that's MiCloud Connect Contact Center or MiCloud Flex Contact Center. So, like I said, we're going to spend this presentation going over MiCloud Connect, but I did want to give you an understanding of the Mitel portfolio so you could fully be equipped with the different options you have at Mitel. So, who is an ideal prospect for MiCloud Connect? MiCloud Connect is designed for businesses who are looking for a really easy plug-and-play solution. Maybe they don't have that robust of an IT department. Maybe they just want their IT department to focus on other things. We've had some customers who don't even have an IT department and they outsource it. But it's really designed for a business that doesn't want to spend a lot of time with their communications, want to just do a couple of clicks to get users up and running, add-ons, you name it. It's an out-of-the-box feature set with integrations and offers global numbers for those who have more of a global presence, but not that many offices overseas and internationally, but want to create that consistency in their calling experience to their end users. So to kind of give you some use cases on who might be ideal for MiCloud Connect, like I said, limited IT, and it can be designed for a company who has a lot of IT as well. I don't want you to get that in your head, but it is really designed for a business that doesn't want to spend a lot of time managing it, needs to make real-time changes, things like that. So one of our customers was looking to handle 200,000 calls easily and affordably without an IT staff. And Connect was able to solve that because of the scalability to handle those 200,000 calls and that easy-to-use management portal that their partner could actually manage. So it also gives partners access to manage it for their customers. And the portal is real-time changes, simple click and play, and gives you not only user permissions, but also reporting. And we'll go into that more detailed later. There's also call routing. Easily can be managed if you do have those fluctuations in call volumes and that holistic reporting. Another use case is if they want this integrated user experience for their users, whether it's contact center or team collaboration, just that seamless, intuitive experience. So maybe the driver is they really have all these siloed applications. Maybe they have some users using free team collaboration solutions because they don't have the budget for it or their current system just doesn't come with it natively. Well, Connect can solve those pain points because it has the integrated call control and presence between not only the team collaboration and UC component, but also through integrated contact center solutions. So like I said, it does come with a native contact center solution called MiCloud Connect Contact Center. And those contact center plans also come with UC licenses. So you don't have to manage two bills, two license types. You can upgrade the UC license for your contact center users, but it does have that integrated presence and call control experience. It also has a wide array of native integrations and advanced applications. And the contact center comes with multi-channel, so you can really combine those email, chat, telephony solutions into one for your agents. And it also comes with cross-launching capabilities between mobile apps. So team collaboration, you can create a conference call if you want within that, and then it'll automatically launch the mobile app. Same with like the Outlook meeting and experience, which we'll dive into a little bit more later, but it's all streamlined, single click, as minimal clicks as possible, and very intuitive. Another use case we find is going back to that distributed location franchise is some businesses have the need to replicate it across the country, and maybe they have multiple locations that they want to spin up quickly. And franchise might be a good example for that because it's easy to provision and has plug and play functionality, easy to get users up and running without help from a partner, or you could do it internally, but you could also get help from a partner as well. Really designed to be easy and get those users up and running fast, as well as those different locations. So we've been able to do it fairly fast and continue to invest in this area, so that is a big differentiator for us and really getting those plug and play provisioned phones and auto onboarding experience, things of that kind. And because it is out of the box, it really does simplify the implementation and professional services, and it is designed to get those users up and running, whether they're using Salesforce integration or Outlook integration. It's all really built in and ready to go, packaged up. And then it also delivers that consistent user experience across locations. So if you want to do extension dialing, presence, you have that. And then also, like I said earlier, we do have those global numbers to create even more consistent experience for your customers. And going into that, global numbers. So let's say you have, a satellite office in India, but your headquarters is in the US, but you want everybody to look like they're coming from the US. Global numbers is a good use case for that, and it also kind of extends the global footprints with DID and toll-free numbers that are available in 18 different countries. And so that it'll just kind of create that consistent experience for not only the callers, but also for the end users and the phone numbers and extension dialing. So why should you sell MiCloud Connect? Why should you offer it as an option to your customers? Like I said, it's easy to implement, manage, and use. And you'll notice ease is the theme throughout, because everything that it was built around is ease. Is it easy for the admin? Is it easy for the end user? Is it easy to implement? Is it easy to involve? You'll see it at every different touch point throughout the customer journey and life cycle and user experience. So that seamless and intuitive experience across endpoints, whether they're on the desk phone, the mobile app, or the client, all seamless and intuitive. We spent the last year, 2 years really honing in on that and making it a modern, intuitive experience so that there is minimal training. And as an admin who's already has small bandwidth, the last thing you want to do is, if you get a whole new office, have to retrain everybody, or if you're onboarding to this new system. The training experience is a delight for admins. It's also easy with the self-management and auto onboarding tools, provisioning, like I said, the bundling all in one. There's not all these miscellaneous fees, especially if you're a contact center. Since it isn't white labeled, it is a built-in-house solution. There's not 2 bills. It's all seamless, 1 license. We've really tried to make that easy so that every month there's a predictable bill. And then there's multiple support options and resources. Our phones have a help button right on it. Within the UI, there's videos and knowledge-based articles, so that help is always within an arm's reach. So here's a quick snapshot of what it has to offer, the end-to-end UCaaS solution. We have hardware, IP phone systems built in-house. We have collaboration, including Mitel Teamwork, all seamlessly integrated. MiCloud Connect Contact Center, the mobile app so you can work from anywhere, and then native integrations, which you'll see on this screen are Skype for Business integration. And the idea is that there's no vendor finger pointing. It's designed for those on-the-go workers. It gives businesses the choice of which phones their users want to be in. So if they have, users who are living and breathing in Skype for Business already, we can just plug that right in. If they have a lot of on-the-go users, they can just use our mobile app. I've even talked to some customers who have completely gotten rid of hard phones altogether because, maybe due to budgetary, or they just want to go green and get rid of the hard phones. But the mobile phone and soft phone experience and the Chrome extension deliver just what they need, and they don't miss the hard phone. And to be frank, I myself am a remote worker, and I don't have a desk phone either. So it really gives the power of choice to you and your customers. So then in cloud solution, people ask, what about reliability, security? It's top of mind, especially if you're going from an on-site system to a cloud. So here's a quick snapshot of it. I'm not going to go into too deep a deal, but we do have encryption at all layers. We have security access layer, VPN built in, so no matter if they're on their mobile app or at an office, it's all secure. And at Mitel, we really hold ourselves to 5.9 standards and are continually investing in our network. So this is an ongoing thing that will never stay static. We're not just going to wipe our hands clean and say we did it and it's good. It's always going to be something that we are continually improving. And as you probably have heard of the ShoreTel acquisition, we're really working on condensing those data centers and making this 5.9 standard network and infrastructure. So more to come on that, but this is a quick snapshot of what we have to offer today. So going to that easy to manage story, and like I said, we designed it easy to manage for admins. So we have this intuitive portal that you can just log in online, and as an admin, you can make real-time changes. You can view the new features that are available. We do have an agile release cycle, so the Connect system is getting multiple releases frequently and at least monthly. And they can monitor their users, they can manage their users. We have a lot of flexibility on upgrading and permission in real time. You can mix and match profiles, so the admin can quickly upgrade a user if they want, give them different permissions or features that they now are comfortable and able to expose to their users, and also can give the little snapshot of call reports and things like that. So here's a screenshot of what it looks like. It is a complete admin toolkit. You can do user groups, business intelligence, phone registration, some billing in there. The contact center will offer a little bit more in depth. And then you can contact support. And like I said, that the customer can choose to give the partner access to it so that you as a partner can do the management for them. So it's also easy to use for the end user. This modern experience that I keep talking about, all in one. Not only is it modern looking, but it also has intuitive icons. I have talked to many people who have said that they've barely had to train their users because it's so intuitive, and everything is consolidated into this Connect client that you see on this screen. And there's built-in training videos. We have a large YouTube channel. Everything is public, and we also have a knowledge base so people can easily search if they have any confusion. And it offers a full-featured client and mobile app, like I said, power of choice in terms of devices and how they want to make and place calls. And it also is easy to switch back and forth between devices. So let's say I'm in the office, but all of a sudden this call is going over and I realize I need to go and pick up my daughter from school so I can take her to dance class. You can easily hop between the desk phone and the mobile app without anybody on the other side knowing. And then hop in your car. There's Bluetooth, so you can drive safely and pick up your daughter while multitasking. So really gives you the power to work while on the go. And if you're in sales, you can use that from afar and not really have to worry about missing meetings or staying up to date. So as the world changes into this workforce that's always on the go, remote workers, it's becoming more and more common that the mobile app is a huge priority for businesses and their workers. So all of our solutions are designed for the modern worker and really are designed to bridge the gap for distributed and remote teams to deliver that consistent experience so that workers can work from a coffee shop or a hotel room if they need to, and they don't have to be tied to their desk. It really is designed to streamline that experience for them too, so that there's one click. So you'll see on the screen that join button. They want to join a conference. You don't have those pesky dial-in numbers and participant codes. It's just a single click, very intuitive, safe for being on the road. And it also offers, you'll see this Google integration on the screen as well. So we have soft phone if they just want to work from their computer and laptop and don't want to drain their battery life on their mobile phone. So it really gives you the flexibility to work on any device from anywhere. So it's also easy to enhance and evolve. Like I said, we have native integrations and they can upgrade as they please. So here, quick snapshot of our biggest ones, Salesforce. We have G Suite, calendar integration, as well as Outlook integration to really streamline that meeting setup experience. We also offer different CRM, workforce managements, depending on contact centers. So really familiarize yourself with those needed integrations. The portfolio is quite large, and offer add-on features. So like I said, it's also easy to bundle, and I mentioned earlier that it can be designed nice for contact center users because there's just one license for all. Simple pricing, no surprises, and it all comes in one. And on the next screen, I'll give you an example or show you our different service plans. But they are designed to be flexible, and I think that's a unique thing to MiCloud is that we offer that ability. So not all users have to be on the same service plan. So let's say you have some that need Salesforce integration, but others that don't. There's no sense in having them pay for that many elite service plans if they don't need them. We are agile, so we are releasing features frequently, well, at least once per month. And everything is located within that admin portal that I mentioned called the MiCloud Connect portal. Billing is at fingertips and easy to understand. And here is a glance of the service plans and the quick top features that you get with each. You'll notice that the Essentials covers most of your basic telephony, collaboration, client experience, whereas Premier upgrades you to those CRM native integrations. And then Elite will go a little bit further for those call recording operator functionality. So here's a customer story that I like to share, and this is kind of sums it all up on what Connect can do. And this company was looking to replace their legacy PBX, and they were having kind of some insufficient features, wanted to modernize it, and also wanted to reduce costs. So they had a lot of costs and not a lot of functionality. It was inefficient, and it was really hard for them to engage with the community and deliver that customer experience they wanted. So they implemented MiCloud Connect and leveraged the Outlook integration and mobile app. And they were able to save 10%. And not only that, they were able to increase productivity for other staff. So no matter where they were, whether they're in the office or on the go, they were able to help out their customers. And they really enjoyed that user experience and thought it was truly as intuitive as we say it is. And as you can see from the quote on the screen, that they also enjoy the single-click help button on their phone as well. So always here to help, always here to make it easy for you. So to sum it up in a couple bullets, MiCloud Connect is easy to implement, use, and evolve, and we truly do try to make it easy every step of the way. And I encourage you, as you're having these conversations, to show them the client, show them the integrations and how easy it really is, because until you get your hands on it, you don't really see how easy it is. And if you, as a partner, haven't, I encourage you to do so as well, because I've demoed it quite a bit for people, and they're always very pleasantly surprised at how intuitive it is. And we also give that flexibility to evolve. So what they buy today isn't what they buy tomorrow. So if they have needs, they're smaller today but know they're growing, they can add locations easily, they can add permissions easily, and they can add integrations easily. So there's a wide variety of ways to evolve it to ensure that the solution is right for them today and tomorrow. I hope that was helpful for you. I encourage you to reach out to your Mitel representatives to get more information and see how you can do more training on it. We have a bunch of different programs and resources for you to leverage, and I really encourage you to get your hands on it and learn it from the inside out, because it won't take long to learn, because it's easy. So thank you for your time, and I hope to speak to you soon. Thanks.